Morning students, let's continue the same grammar. Next we are going to see definite article the. The is the definite article. Let's see how to use it. When we talk about something for first time, we use an indefinite article. Okay, if we talk about again, we use the definite article the. Okay, let's see some example. Aman is going with his parents on a trip to Hasaranga. Okay, so in the first sentence I used a trip because before I did not speak about, so that I used a trip. Okay, in the second sentence, let's see, they have arranged the trip through a travel agent. So in this sentence I used the trip. So I am referring to that trip which I have already spoken about. Okay, understand how to use the definite article the. Okay, next we use the when we talk about particular person or thing, we use the definite article the. Okay, let's see some example. My mother met the principal today. So in this sentence, who is particular person? Principal. So that I used the definite article the. Understand? In the second sentence, let's see. Okay, over. Next, how to use definite article the. Let's see. We use the with names of mountain ranges, ocean, seas, rivers, gulf, space, desert. We use the definite article the. Okay, for example, the Himalayas, the Bay of Bengal, the Thai desert. Okay, so why did I used the when we use the with names of mountain ranges, ocean, seas, rivers, gulf, base, desert, means we have to use the definite article the. Okay. Next we use the with names of monument, theatre, stadium and auditorium. Okay, let's see some example. The Victoria Memorial, the Prithvi Theatre. Here it is, I have written only two example. But if you see more, but we have to use the definite article with names of monument, theatre, stadium and auditorium. Okay, I have written only two example. Okay, I hope you understand how to use definite article the. Okay, next how to use the definite article the. Let's see. We use the with names of books and newspaper. Okay, for example, the Quran, the Indian Express. Okay, next we use the with certain we use the which we cannot change. Okay, we use the which we cannot change. Let's for example, the sun, the moon, those we cannot change. Okay, the sun, the moon, the east, west, the south, the north, like that. Okay, we cannot change, so we have to use the only. Next we use the with trains. Okay, for example, the Amit Star Mail. Okay, the Amit Star Mail, the Kaya Express, the Sangamitra, like that. Okay, I hope you understand how to use the definite article the. Okay, thank you students.